Well, good afternoon, everybody. Wow, we just had a storm come through in about 2 minutes. All at once, about 5 minutes ago, the wind just started tearing through here like crazy. I kind of ran out here to make sure all of our trees were okay because we've lost trees and limbs and everything else before. And poof, just like that, it downpoured for about a minute. I guess it's done. That's kind of what happens here. Really, not even enough to get the ground wet. Surprisingly, that's just what's been happening in August here. You get a quick little rain, and like I said, doesn't even really get the ground wet. And just like that, the wind died down. She's still sprinkling out here a bit. Wow, my thing blew over here. Yeah, you could tell which direction the wind was coming from. I had this braced up against the tree there. Blew over. And looks like it broke some of the wood in it, but that's fine and dandy. It wasn't in good shape anyway. Getting a few sprinkles here, but that's it. Like I said, that wasn't even hardly enough to get the ground wet. Still overcast skies, so we could have more coming, but that's essentially kind of how it rains here. It just poof. Yeah. I better head back in so I don't get the camera too wet here. She just started sprinkling again, but wow, yeah, what a change. And that whole thing didn't last 5 minutes, as you can see. The dogs are all congregating here on the porch to get out. And of course, look at here. All three of them are there. If you can see the three heads. Yeah. Against my boots there. And of course, Mickey here. Wow. And now I'm getting kind of slow rain again here. At about a 1 to 2 or so. Yeah, it's just the last half of July and up through what, the 22nd of August here. That's been the story. And with when you intermix that with 100+ degree days, like I said, the moisture is almost irrelevant in that. Kind of keeps the grass green, and you know, that's about it. So yeah, I was just going to bring you that. I don't know what's going to happen now. She's starting to sprinkle here. Beth just went into Taliban. I had to pick up a few things there, so hopefully not too long. She'll be getting back home here. It's about almost 2 in the afternoon. So I really hope it keeps raining. Boy, sure could use the moisture. Like I said, it's just everything is getting so dried out again. But this is definitely not the rainy season, even though it's raining right now a little bit. Like I said, as soon as the sun comes out within a half hour, completely dry as a bone again. So I'm going to let you all go from the back of the camera. If anything else comes up here, I'll kind of let you know and that. But like I said, the wind died down. I wish I could have got out here just a couple minutes earlier. Man, I mean, it was really blowing. I was afraid we were going to lose a couple of trees here and that, but the only thing that happened is part of my roof there tipped over, but that was pretty well wrecked anyway. So until next time, I'm going to let you go. Everybody have a good day, and I sincerely hope God blesses every single one of you.